Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Very warm welcome to today's session of Weekend Touch Talk All or WTT. How is everyone doing today? It is truly inspiring to see your enthusiasm for learning. Even on a weekend, the spirit proves that a student of Eden Boarding School Solo. Our passion for innovation and technology never takes a break. I am Azam, your host for today's session. For this edition of WTT, we're going to dive deep into a very exciting topic, a simple Flutter app. We are joined by we are joined by an incredible speaker, Khaizuran Malvin, who is ready to share valuable insight, tips, and practical experience with all of us. Before we begin, make sure you have your coffee, snack, or notebooks ready. Get into your most comfortable position and don't forget to prepare your best question. Without further ado, let's start our teach journey today. Let's get started.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you, Azam, uh, to give me time to sharing about the Flutter. Okay, so without further, we directly go to VS Code. Okay, so first you need to open VS Code, and then uh, before you make a Flutter app, Flutter project, you need to make sure if make sure the Flutter already installed in your device and worked. How to check it? You can check in Windows PowerShell. You can uh, write Flutter, Flutter version, and if your Flutter already installed, in your terminal will show the version of your Flutter. Okay, okay. First, you can go to terminal, and then you make a new Flutter project. You can type uh, use Flutter create VR generators and scanner. And then enter. Okay, wait. After this is your folder, project folder. You can open the directory in terminal like this. Okay, and then you click enter. Okay, now the directory is VR generator and scanner. Okay, this the structure of a Flutter project. Okay, next you need to make sure your project is working or run. You can check it. Uh, you can go terminal and then type Flutter run. Okay, so the terminal will show the three options. You can choose Windows, Chrome, or Edge. Okay, now I will use Chrome. Okay, wait, it's still launching debug. Okay, this is the first UI. If you make a Flutter project, this means your project is working. Okay, so we go to terminal again. We go to VS Code and then stop the debug. Okay, next is you make sure the structure folder is like this. And if you got Android, you can go to his folder. If you wanna configure iOS, you can go to his folder. Okay, so next we configure the file post programmer. We add dependencies for camera to scan QR and to take a screenshot to share the QR. Okay, you can open this file and then it's post programmer and then go to dependencies. Okay, go to here. Now, then you can add the first is uh, device. The first is device preview. You can use uh, version 1.3. That's is a permission to preview UI in device. It's only in development mode or debug mode, and then you add a mobile scanner. Just for a scan QR with our camera, support Android OS, Android iOS, and web. Okay, and then add permission handler. This function is for permission to handler uh, access to camera. Okay, and then we add a pretty QR code to generate a pretty QR code and customable. And then add the screenshot, take a screenshot to our widget, and then add a share plus. This for share our QR. Okay, next step is you install a asset, install a font and a fixture to for our application. You can make a new folder here and then type asset and then type image. Wait, Mm, the image you add the image and font. And then you add the font and image in this file. Sorry, sorry. Not file, but folder. Okay, next is we verify the package. We Flutter public first to install the dependencies. You can go to terminal and then type Flutter public. This for get the dependencies. Is okay. If you wanna upgrade all package and to new version, you can type this. But if you don't want, it's okay. We using a new version also. Okay. Next is make sure the structure folder is complete like this. Like this. Yeah, and then you go to after you can go to Facebook again and then okay. So now we make a home screen. Not a home screen but splash screens to loading before go to application. You can go to the folder. I mean you add a new folder. Name is UI and then add again splash dot point dart. Okay, and make sure the image set image is upgrade. Next is import the package. You can go this file splash screen dart and then write this. Okay, this package so for home splash screen. Okay, next is make a class splash screen like this. Okay. And then you will okay. You make a splash screen like this. You can add the class of a splash screen. Then build a widget before make a build a make a widget. You add a timer logic in here. Okay. The next uh is set up everything and main app. Okay, you need to import all packets and screen in in that file here. You import a package. It's because we haven't made a file home screen, KR generator screen, and KR scanner screen. We will make it later. Okay, so we make a wait name uh debug for device device Android or iPhone. You can type this in void main. Okay, you type void main run app device preview is we use device iPhone 11 Pro Max. So and then next is root widget main app to material app. You can add class main app to this. You can make this. There's a root widget main up to material app. If you can see this. Yeah. Okay, so this still error because we haven't made a file or the page. We can make it for this. And then the next is we uh is a navigator push node for switch page the name to name root. This is like example is the favorite button. Okay. Next is we make a home screen. You make the file. The name is home screen dart in here. Okay. And then after this, you import the package, and then we make a home screen main home screen, the dashboard. You can make like this. Okay. This is custom color. You up to you. You wanna use a color. Uh, Here I use a modern blue, light blue, sky blue. So I use the base color is blue. You can make your color. Okay, and then next is implement QR code to our application. Okay, you make a new file in folder UI. Okay, don't forget you must make sure the dependencies for QR is screenshot and for share. Okay, you can add import import package first. Okay, these are package for QR generator screen. Okay, and then we make a widget for QR generator screen. You can custom. Okay, you still add take read code for printing and share PDF. Okay, so next is make a new file. Name is QR scanner. QR scanner dot. Okay, and then import the package. Okay, so this code of QR scanner screen. Okay, so we can run the app. We can type Flutter run. Okay, then you choose okay, you wanna use Windows, Chrome, or Edge. Here I use Chrome. Wait, still loading because this location. So okay, so this this QR scanner app is still loading. Okay, so this splash screen. Okay, and then we can generate QR in here. You add a link or text up to you. Add print or share this print PDF file. Is or you wanna share by email or you can click a chat. And then this for scan QR. This can fill confirmation camera first. Do it still error. Maybe next time. I-
Alhamdulillah, we have reached the end of today's session. It has been an amazing discussion. And there is so much new knowledge we can take away regarding simple Flutter app. On behalf of the Indian Boarding School Solo family, I would like to say a hug thank you to our guest speaker, Khaizuran Malvin, for sharing such a quality and impactful insight today. I also want to thank all the participants for being so active and interested to discussion. Uh, uh, I hope that what we learned today doesn't just stop here. Let's practice it and use it to level up our skill. Don't forget to stay tuned for update on our next weekend test talk session in the coming weeks. I am Azzam signing off. Enjoy the rest of your weekend with fresh inspiration. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you at the next WTT. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy weekend and stay teach savvy.